do welcome Dr. Chandrakant Shetye, Honorable MLA Pacholi, and Chairman of Infotech Corporation of Goa Limited. I now welcome Shri Menino D'Souza, IES Secretary Education. Floral welcome to Shri Karan Bajaj, Special Advisor to CM. Ms. Nidhi Anarkat, CEO of Nav Gurukul. Nishant Chanda, co-founder of Newton School. Mr. Vipul Agarwal, co-founder and CEO of Undlo. Mr. Mohammed Hizamuddin, founder and CEO of Entry. Professor Nian Marshon, Nodal Officer, Goa State Higher Education Council. And Professor Vittal Tilby, Nodal Officer, Goa State Higher Education Council. Thank you. Training, Internship and Placement Cell of GSHEC has been envisioning uplifting the status of Goan students. Today is one such step towards that vision. Requesting Nodal Officer of GSHEC, Professor Nian Marshon, to brief the gathering about today's MoU signing. Sir.
Thank you, Doctor. A very good morning, respected Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable MLA Sir, Secretary Education Sir, Higher Education Sir. Making Goa an educational hub. Government of Goa's objective is to give all graduating students of Goa, irrespective of financial and educational background, exposure to the most cutting-edge professions in the world, ranging from full-stack development and advanced graphic design to writing, acting, and music. Goa State Higher Education Council and Director of Higher Education are very pleased to call the center of our educational vision. The Training, Internship and Placement Cell would assist and coordinate the boot camps and trainings conducted by these startups for all the participating students. Let us have a very brief look at the India's top startups. First being Nav Gurukul Foundation for Social Welfare. Nav Gurukul's mission is to make higher education and aspirational careers accessible to all. Through its flagship program, Nav Gurukul works with girls from marginalized communities to help them become programmers and place them in tech careers. Their program is free for the students and provides job guarantee to all its learners. At the centers, students learn through an innovative, self-paced, peer learning focused pedagogy that helps them learn not only programming, but also how to learn and prepare them for lifelong learning and growth. Nav Gurukul is led by IIT and Harvard alumni and will impact more than 5 million learners in the next 5 years to help them access digital, aspirational careers and in turn help India become world's HR capital. The second startup is the Newton School. Newton School is Neo University founded in 2019 by graduates from IIT Roorkee. Newton School offers a host of fully online industry-oriented tech courses to students and help them get placed as software developers and engineers. with their 1,500 plus partners. Today, Newton School will provide in-depth training and upskilling to students of Goa through an industry-oriented curriculum in software development as well as job opportunities from the best companies in the country and worldwide. Their venture would primarily aim to solve 4 things: build Goa as the next IT hub of the country and boosting its economy, improving the accessibility to tech education for students of Goa, solving the problem of migration of talent from Goa to other states, and improving tech jobs for existing working professionals. This alliance is determined to upskill the youth of Goa with industry-focused, skill-oriented education in software development and make Goa the next global IT hub of the country. The third startup, Be Unlu Private Limited. Unlu is a creator community building high quality content in the domains of music and writing and promoting career opportunities for budding careers, that is for singers, musicians, writers and storytellers. Their main objective are help creators collaborate with other artists, help creators create content like music, scripts, books, etc., with mentorship from industry experts, help creators monetize by licensing their content, and help creators find the right opportunities for their creative skills and build a sustainable career as a creator. With an initiative to boost the media and entertainment ecosystem of Goa and to improve the talent enablement here, Unlu will be launching a creator bootcamp to provide training to creators across the state, allowing them to learn from the best in industry mentors and create content IPs and monetize it across various audio-visual mediums. Last but not the least, On3. N3 is India's fastest growing local language learning app for job skills for over 1 crore users. N3 provides different types of content like videos, mock exams, study cards, and podcasts in local languages. The objective of this MoU is to provide free scholarships for about 250 students from all higher education institutes across Goa. This collaboration shall enable the selected students to clear the examination for government jobs and upskill them for private jobs using the local language learning app in Konkani. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We have amidst us eminent personality, Mr. Karan Bajaj, Special Advisor to CM. I request him now to address the gathering.
Thank you. Dr. Prasad and Shri Markon have covered the specifics of the program, so I'll just share some personal observations. When I first met the Honorable CM 2 months ago, one of the first things he told me was that he wants all students graduating from Goa to get the best opportunities in the country and stay in Goa to get those, to not only avail those opportunities, but to get jobs in Goa. I think it's a very clear vision. He wants everybody to get the best opportunities in Goa and continue in Goa and contribute to the economy here. I think with that very clear vision, we started working on this program, and within, I would say, just 4 weeks, the Department of Higher Education, along with the Chief Minister's Office, was able to liaise the startups together. I think I'm very privileged, and I say that from my heart. I'm very honored and privileged to work in a state with where the CM has such a clear vision. Along the way, he also told me that he wants it to be wider than just technology and coding, which he's very passionate about, but he also wants it to be about creative fields. That's why we got the creative skilling companies as well. So it's a great honor to work in a state with a very clear vision of the CM and a government department which works almost like a startup. So within the last month, they have coordinated with all the founders, got the MoU signed, and are moving full speed into execution. So it's a great privilege for us to be here. I would also thank the founders. They'll speak about their companies, but all of these companies are carefully vetted. They are the top skilling startups of the country now. And they've also gone out of the way to create a very customized program for Goa, which they haven't done for, or almost all of them have not done for any other state, where they'll give free access for a period of time to their paid courses for everybody in Goa to take advantage of it. And then they'll give scholarships to students who are interested in completing the course, along with placements in both creative and technical fields. So I thank the founders for also taking the time to do that. That's all. Thank you. And I look forward to talking.
Thank you so much, sir. It is now time to briefly hear about various skilling startups with whom the MOUs will be signed today. First, we have Nidhi Anarkat, CEO of Navgurukul, requesting you, ma'am, to briefly address the gathering.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Honorable CM Sir, Markon Sir, Karan, everyone else here who has played a role in making this happen in the speed at which this has happened. I am deeply grateful to everyone and very, very privileged to be here. Thank you. I will speak very briefly about what Navgurukul does. Markon Sir has already mentioned it. We work with girls from marginalized communities and underserved communities to help them become programmers and place them in tech jobs. We have worked with more than, we have centers across 7 states in India where we work with girls from these communities through a residential program where they come and stay. We take care of all aspects of their learning, staying and growth, and make sure that we place them in tech. The core of what Navgurukul does is an innovation in how we go about learning. There are no classrooms in which there is one-to-many sort of broadcast happening, but rather students working on their own, and there's a mentor learning and a peer learning structure in place to make sure that whatever they're learning is actually something that they retain and are able to use in their own lives, and they are ready to learn, not just learn something, but they're ready to learn lifelong, so that when they are in the industry, when they have to learn new skills, they can always cope up. That innovation is something that has helped us achieve outcomes. We make sure that our students get jobs, but not-for-profit or a CSO organization can only go so far in creating these solutions, and it is a government's role in which they can scale it up and take it to people who actually need it, deserve it, want it. In that, the state of Goa has played a role like I have not experienced anywhere else so far. We have truly moved at a speed which I have not experienced. Karan said that the government is functioning like a startup. I would move a step forward. Government was working faster than us. We had to cope up in the last 1 month to make sure that we are catering to everything and making sure, and everybody who we've interacted with here has not only maintained speed, which is critical, but also the spirit in which we want to do this, to make sure that the students of Goa for whom we are designing this actually really benefit out of this in the way in which they should, in the best possible way. So I'm really grateful to be here, and thank you everyone for making this happen.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Mr. Nishant Chanda, co-founder Newton School, to speak at this juncture.
Hello everyone, and thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Special thanks to Mr. CM and the whole team that has done that, especially Mr. Karan Bajaj. As I'll just again reiterate the fact that the team of Goa government has moved really, really fast on this initiative. And we haven't seen this. We've worked with the fastest multinational companies as well as the most nimble startups across India. And the way that we have progressed on this has been quite phenomenal. So again, thank you for the opportunity there. As we all know, skilled youth is the backbone of any nation. And the initiative that the Goa government is taking to make the youth skilled in multiple facets of life, be it coding, which gives you great career paths, or creative fields, which nurture the spirit from within, has been phenomenal. Talking about a bit about Newton School, so over the last year or so, Newton School has enabled thousands of students to get jobs in some of the best companies in the world, from the likes of multinationals like Google to companies, to the most fastest growing startups in India as well. We have made it possible so that the students who are not getting jobs for multiple years before joining Newton School are now going on to get jobs of 30 lakhs per annum 40 lakhs per annum. And we have done this through making sure that our curriculum is made by the best of the best in the world. So it's made by people from Microsoft, Google. Students get access to mentors from the top companies who they can reach out at their will anytime they want. In addition to that, we have some of the best instructors in the company. And over the last year, as I mentioned, we have placed thousands of students, more than any other college in India. So we feel that this is a phenomenal opportunity to guide the students of Goa and enable them to become phenomenal software developers and make Goa the next IT hub of India. In addition to that, we are committed to, in this spirit, we are committed to enable and upskill more than 10,000 students over the next year in Goa itself. So thank you again for the opportunity, and we are super excited to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now let us hear Mr. Vipul Agarwal, co-founder and CEO of UNLU.
Hello. Thank you, everyone. Special thanks to Honorable CM and Karan for actually getting this opportunity done. For us, it's a very different thing, like what you're hearing is about coding, you're hearing about the job skilling. It's more about media entertainment. We started basically with the idea that everyone sitting over here actually have a story and music with them. So can we actually exploit that? Can we help them license those deals and make some money on the top of it? So, yeah, so what we are doing with Goa actually have been one of the hosting one of the largest film festival across IFFI, and one of the oldest in the Asia. And Goa is a creative talent hub, and where the people are not just coming from India, but also from across the globe. With UNLU, the idea is to help all of these people bring on a platform where they can learn from the likes of Manoj Bajpayee, Ruskin Bond, where they get to know how to build a career in writing, how to build a career in acting, and eventually goes into writer's room and music room where they create content which get licensed. People on our platform actually have made anywhere between 2 lakhs to 50 lakhs by licensing every deal. So everyone in Goa who have a music in them, who have a writing in them, who have a story in them, we want to take that talent, we want to help them up to build that story and sell it off in the media entertainment field. So that's how we look. We look Goa as to be the next film hub in the world, and with amazing locations out here, with amazing talent out here, we believe like we can find amazing movies and music coming out of, from this place. So yeah, that's all. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Mohammed Hizamuddin, founder and CEO of M3, to speak.
Thank you. First of all, big thanks to the Honorable CM, Karan Bajaj, and the team behind Director of Higher Education Goa. So at entry, we are targeting a segment where there are 40 crore people in India who are not proficient in English, but with the right kind of learning experience in their own mother tongue like Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, etc., can improve their employability chances, right? So we believe in this philosophy where if someone learns something in English, it goes to their head, but if they learn it in their own mother tongue, local language like Konkani, it goes to their heart, right? So that's exactly what we're going to do with the Goa government as well, where we'll be launching courses in Konkani, starting off with digital marketing and spoken English, and then hopefully in the future we'll be getting into more languages. Talking of the kind of impact that we've had through entry across India, we're present in 5 languages right now: Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, and Telugu. Just crossed 1 crore users across these 5 languages just last month, and we've enabled close to 75,000 jobs across these 5 languages so far. Just 2 months back, there was this exam in Kerala where there were 15,000 jobs that people got into, out of which 2,000 were from entry users. Of all the jobs selected, 15% of all the selections were from entry user, from entry. So we expect to create the same kind of impact with Goa, with local languages in Konkani. There are around 75 lakh Konkani speakers across India, not only in Goa. There are Konkani speakers outside Goa as well. So we'll be launching more courses in Konkani, starting with digital marketing, and then digital marketing and spoken English, and then we'll be getting into more courses in Konkani as well. So like excited for this opportunity, looking forward to do more with Goa government in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We are also looking forward to all these opportunities. Thank you so much. Now the time has come to begin with the MoU signing ceremony, requesting the Director of DHE and Executive Director of Higher Education Council to kindly rise for MoU signing. Let me also request Nidhi Anarkat, to kindly rise to sign the MoU. The first MoU is being signed with Navgurukul. We also have with us Dr. Majik on behalf of DHE. It's a momentous occasion, so let us welcome this occasion with a round of applause once again. Thank you, ma'am. Let us now welcome co-founder of Newton School, Siddharth Maheshwari, to kindly come forward for the signing of MoU. Sir. We also have with us Sri Nishant Chanda, co-founder. Once again, let us welcome this moment with a round of applause. Thank you. I now request Vipul Agarwal, co-founder and CEO of Unlu, to kindly come forward for signing of MoU. These MoUs are not just a document, but a plethora of opportunities for the students of Goa. So let us welcome once again this MoU signing with a round of applause. Thank you, sir. I also request Muhammad Nizamuddin, founder and CEO of N3, to kindly come forward for the signing of MoU. Thank you, everyone. Requesting all the national skilling startups and their representatives to kindly stand for a group photograph with Honorable CM and other dignitaries on the dais.
Or you could just hold this way, 1 minute. This one, only this one. You can keep that, only this. Only the fold.
Thank you. Kindly be seated on the dais. Goa has been fortunate to find the leadership of Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, who has given highest priority to education in the state. Requesting Sir to kindly address the gathering at this juncture. Sir.
Signing ceremony of Memorandum of Understanding between Goa State Higher Education Council, Directorate of Higher Education and Navagurukul Foundation for the Social Welfare from Haryana, Newton School from Bengaluru. It is an Ullu Private Limited from Haryana and entry from Kerala. The dignitaries on dais along with me, Dr. Chandrakant Shetye, the Chairman for the IT, Sri Minino D'Souza, the Secretary Education, Prasad Lolekar, IAS, Director of Higher Education, Sri Karan Bajaj, who is the Special Advisor. फक्त आणि फक्त करण बजाजा खातीरच आयचो कार्यक्रम जावपाक शकलो. नेटान सगळ्यांनी करण बजाजाक ताळयो मारच्यो. आनी एक गजाल मुद्दामून सांगता, म्हज्या फाटल्या 4 वर्साच्या एक्सपिरियन्सान एकूय मनीस आपूण विदाउट एनी हॉनरेरियम तुज्या वांगडा काम करपाक तयार आसा म्हणून कोणूच येवंक ना. एकमेव मनीस जो करण बजाज, आपल्याक कसलीच अपेक्षा ना, एक पैशाची अपेक्षा ना, वयल्यान आपलोच स्टाफ आपुणूच अपॉइंट करता, हांवूच ताका पेमेंट दिता आनी आय एम रेडी टू वर्क फॉर द स्टेट. गोंयांतल्या भुरग्यां खातीर काम करपाची आपली तयारी आसा आनी गोंयांतले भुरगे IT सेक्टरांत डेव्हलप जावपाक जाय. आनी दोतोर तुजो कन्सेप्ट जो तूं म्हणटा की स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय सगळ्या सेक्टरांत दिसता, आपल्याक ल्हानशें दिसता की IT सेक्टरांनी गोंय स्वयंपूर्ण जावचें म्हणून हांव काम करतां. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स फॉर द करण बजाज. त्या खातीर हांव एक गजाल निश्चितच म्हणू शकता, काल दसरो जालो आनी दसऱ्याक आमी सीमो उल्लंघन करता. आज म्हाका दिसता निश्चितच दसऱ्याच्या कालच्या शुभ मुहूर्ताचेर IT सेक्टरांतलें सीमो उल्लंघन आमी आज करता. वन्स अगेन कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स फॉर करण बजाज. थँक्यू. Nidhi from CEO from the Navagurukul, Siddharth Maheshwari from founder of the CEO Newton School, Mr. Vipul Agrawal, co-founder of the CEO Ullu, Mr. Mohammed Isamuddin, founder of the CEO of Entry, Dr. Nian Merchant, the professor of the TIP nodal officer for the Goa State Educational Council. As you are all aware, the government has a goal to turning the Goa into the education and knowledge hub for the country. And we have taken the several steps in this direction in the recent year. The Goa campus of the National Forensic Science University have established at Kurti Fonda. We have just established the university. It is an India International University of the Legal Education and Research at Sankwai. Under the capable leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the country's educational sector has seen a big revolution, and we in Goa are committed to being the part of it. We are committed to bring the more investment into the sector of education, IT, and the knowledge services in order to create the job for a Goan without using up the state's natural resources or creating the pollution. Today is the momentous day for the journey. We have with us, this is the 4th startup here with the Director of Higher Education, have just signed the 4 MoUs to establish the 4 unique programs with the Goa students population. I am told that the Newton School will be providing the advanced training in coding and robotics for the students from the various colleges in Goa. They will be conducting the free boot camp for all the interested students, and selected 250 most eligible students can give them intensive training for the 6 months, which will make them the eligible for the placement for the thousands of the IT companies across the India. We have the Ullu, and we've been conducting the similar program in music, content writing, and the filmmaking. We know that the entertainment is a growing sector in our country, and this program will help our Goan youngsters become the part of our industry. Then we have the Entry, and who are going to be the focus on the rural students and teach them the coding in Konkani. They will also giving giving them the training in spoken English to make it easier them to get the job. Last but not the least, and with the Navagurukul, they are planning to establish the physical campus in Goa. Here the underprivileged students, for the girl students from the rural areas, they will be giving the free training in coding and technology through the 15-month programs. The best thing about the program, there is not the prerequisite. So even the students who had quit the education at the school level and due to the personal difficulties can join this program and stand a chance to get a very good job at the end of it. Between these 4 programs, we plan to train over the thousands of the students every year to help them to find a job in very good salaries, which is based in Goa. As I have said, the Goan youths are looking behind only for the government job for the employment. The government has been continuously trying to get the new non-polluting industries in the state. We have spoken to the many large software companies to establish their offices here. But they are used to being located at like the Bangalore, Hyderabad and Pune, and which have already the large talent pool. So we are now starving to build our own talent pool to make Goa as an attractive destinations for these companies. As you will know, the IT companies have some of the highest paying job. For getting them to the Goa will be the benefits not only for the youth but for entire economy. I therefore request all for the youngsters to make the full use of these opportunities and being provided for you to learn all these skills for free. If we get a good response from the students, and we will make sure that the program will expand to include even the higher number of the students in the next years. म्हाका खरो कॉन्फिडन्स कित्याचेर आसा तर फुडले लायनीचेर. हांव परत एकदां सांगता तुमकां, म्हजें भाशण सोंपयता आसतना आय एम व्हेरी मच एंड फुल्ली कॉन्फिडंट. म्हाका खबर नाशिल्लें की तुमचे सगळे प्रिंसिपल कॉलेजीचे आज हांगासर प्रेजेंट आसतले. म्हाका प्रसादान येयना फुडें सांगलें की ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द प्रिंसिपल्स हांगासर प्रेजेंट आसा. म्हणून म्हाका खात्री आसा की फुडल्या वर्सभराच्या भितर ॲट प्रेजेंट जे कॉलेजीन आसा तितक्याचेरच ना, जे कॉलेज सोडून सद्या हांव ग्रॅज्युएट आनी हांव बेकार म्हणटा पळय न्ही, आय एम टार्गेटींग फॉर दोज स्टुडंट्स, नॉट दोज हू आर ओनली द स्टडींग. त्या खातीर तुमचेर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खूब व्हडली आसा. म्हाका दिसता जे ग्रॅज्युएट आनी पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट जावन जे घरा कडेन बेकार बसल्यात, म्हाका केन्ना तरी गव्हर्मेंट जॉब मेळटलो काय कितें आनी एलडीसीची वाट पळयत आसात. फक्त एलडीसीची वाट पळयत आसात आनी एलडीसी ना म्हटलं जाल्यार मातसो सकयल येवपाची तयारी आहा म्हणटा ते. हांव कित्याक ते सांगना, मागीर म्हजेर टिका करतात. म्हणून म्हाजी तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट आसा, आमी सगळे जाण जर एकत्र आयले जाल्यार निश्चित रित्या गोंयांत जो आमकां बदल घडोवपाक जाय आनी विशेश करून आयटी सेक्टरांत बदल घडोवपाक जाय, मायंडसेट जो बदलपाक जाय तो मायंडसेट बदलपा खातीर तुमची सगळ्यांची गरज आसा. कारण हे सगळे जे ग्रॅज्युएट जावन किंवा अर्धशिक्षीत आसतले, जेंच्यांनी 12th जावन सोडले आसतले, अरावंड बींग कॉलेज हो एक जर आमी कॉम्प्लेक्स धरलो जाल्यार ते सरावंडींग डॅट, कारण आमी पळयता की जितक्यो आमच्यो कॉलेजीस आसा ह्यो जर आमी धरल्यो जाल्यार हाय सेकंडरी आनी स्कुल्स तांकां लिंक आसा. आमी विथ दॅट लिंक म्हाका दिसता आमी ह्या सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सां कडेन पावूं शकता. आनी टीचर ओनली कॅन कन्विन्स द स्टुडंट्स, नॉट द पॅरंट्स. ताच्या कडेन कावन्सिलींग आनी बाकी सगळी शक्ती टिचर्सां कडेन आसा. म्हणून तुमची जबाबदारी आसा. हांव परत एकदां सांगता की सगळ्यांक परत एकदां ऑन बोर्ड घेवपाची. आणि ते जे ॲक्च्युली म्हणजे ज्यो चारूय कंपनी ज्यो सांगता म्हणजे नवगुरुकुल, परत बिनलू, एंट्री, ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक, आनी आमी जर पळयत इट इज नॉट ओनली म्हणजे तांकां टॅलंटेड आनी आयटी सेक्टरांतलोच पूल जाय अशी गरज ना, यंगस्टर्स जाय असो गरज ना. म्हणजे स्क्रिप्ट रायटींग आनी हेजेर म्हाका दिसता आर्टिस्ट गोंयांत कितलेशेच आसा जे गांवागांवांनी आसा, जी बरी स्क्रिप्ट बरोवपाक शकता, जो बरो म्युजिशियन आसा, जो बरो आर्ट काडटा, गांवागांवांनी आसात. हांव सांगता जो कॉलेज लेवला पर्यंत केन्नाच पावूंक ना. त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता इट इज अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सगळ्या टिचरांक कामाक लायत एकदांच, म्हणजे कॉलेजींतल्या, हाय सेकंडरींतल्या, स्कुलांतल्या. आनी त्या खातीर अंडर युअर लिडरशीप दीस इज पॉसिबल. त्या खातीर म्हणजे तुमी जर ही इनिशिएटिव्स घेतली जाल्यार आमकां जो बदल जाय तो बदल आमी करपाक शकतले. आनी म्हाका दिसता आमचे कडेन करण बजाज आनी एंटायर हीज टीम ॲट प्रेझेंट 4 जाण ते आमच्या बरोबर आसात. करण बजाज इज रेडी टू take some more people on board in different sectors, not only in the IT sectors but the different sectors. His ideas, so many ideas are there. तो जेन्ना आपल्यो वेगवेगळ्यो आयडियाज इम्प्लिमेंट करता तेन्ना आमी त्यो इम्प्लिमेंट करपाची फक्त आमची तयारी जाय आनी म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या हेल्पान आमी ते करपाक तयार आसा आनी हांव वता आसतना परत एकदां सांगता करण बजाज फक्त एकटो ऑनररी काम करपाक लागला हांवें कॉलेजीच्या स्पेशली टिचरांक सांगलां दोज हू आर रेडी टू वर्क ऑनररी विथ द CMO ऑफिस आमी सर्क्युलर काडला बरोबर मरे दोज हू आर रेडी टू स्पेअर देअर टायम सॅटर्डे आसतलो संडे आसतलो किंवा बिसायड कॉलेज they can work with my office. We can make change in all the sectors. कोण कॉमर्स सेक्टरांतलो आसतलो कोण युनिव्हर्सिटी म्हणजे कोण एनवायरमेंट सेक्टरांतलो आसतलो जाल्यार कोण वेगळ्या सेक्टरांत तुमच्यो सगळ्यांच्यो आयडियाज आमचे कडेन टायम खूब आसा आमचे कडेन टॅलंट आसा तो आसून कांयच उपयोग ना तर तो आमकां यूज करचो पडटलो आनी तो यूज करून घेवपाक म्हाजी तयारी आसा CMO ऑफिस इज रेडी टू वर्क विथ यू पीपल त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता तुमी आमी ऑलरेडी सर्क्युलर काडला थोड्या जाणांनी म्हाका दिसता ती मिटींग घेवपाची उरल्या म्हाजी पण अजुनूय जर कोणी घेवंक ना जाल्यार आनी एकदां सर्क्युलर म्हणजे परत एकदां तांकां सांग जे इंट्रस्टेड आसा दे कॅन वर्क विथ द CMO ऑफिस विथ युअर इंट्रस्टेड सब्जेक्ट will implement your ideas also. गोंयकारांच्यो आयडिया आमकां गोंयकारांच्या मदीं इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक आनीक चड बरें दिसतलें करण बजाज एकटोच ना अशे खूब जाण करण बजाज आमच्या मदीं आसा आमकां सोदून काडचें पडटलें आनी काम करचें पडटलें सगळ्यांनी काम करपाची तयारी दवरची परत एकदां बाब करण बजाज हेजें खूब खूब अभिनंदन देव बरें करूं.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging words and always initiating the process of uplifting the lives of Govt students. I'm sure these MoUs will carve a brighter future for so many of our learners. As we move towards the end of this program, I request Professor Vittal Tilby to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you. As rightly said by Honorable Chief Minister that this event cannot get better than this because this is the first step as well as just the beginning after the Dashera. Our sincere gratitude for your presence, Honorable Chief Minister, and we thank on behalf of Directorate of Higher Education, Goa State Higher Education Council, Shri Chandrakant Shetty, MLA, Shri Menino D'Souza, Secretary. And today's program, if we just want to sum up, we are transforming our students and providing the necessary skills for nation building. And this is with help of all the companies, all the 4 MOUs that have been signed. So we thank Mr. Karan Bajaj, Special Advisor to Chief Minister, Ms. Nidhi Anarkar, CEO of Navgurukul, Mr. Siddharth Maheshwari, co-founder, Nishan Chanda of Newton School, Mr. Vipul Agarwal, co-founder and CEO of UNLU, Muhammad Isamuddin, founder and CEO of Entry. We are really grateful that you were able to be present here physically, and so thank you. Many of the students who are present here, I am very certain that you will be part of this program in future. And so thank you for your presence. Thank you for the presence of all the principals from all colleges. I'm sure that we'll be able to take the benefit out of this program. And the presence of training and placement officers from various colleges. Finally, I want to thank our own team, fantastic team from DHE, Goa State Higher Education Council. And this is under the leadership of Sri Prasad Lolekar, IAS. He has been very dynamic. And finally, I want to thank, on behalf of all of us, the support that we have got from the Chief Minister's office, as well as from the Secretariat for providing support, and especially Mr. Gudino, a security in charge here. Thank you, each and every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Requesting everyone to be seated till the dignitaries leave the hall. Also requesting everyone